In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all files in a board on monday.com. If you've been navigating through monday.com and need a clearer picture of all the files associated with your projects, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and simplify your workflow by having all your files in one easily accessible view. First, go ahead and open the board that you want to review. This could be any board where you've been working, or the one that holds the files you're interested in. Once you have your board open, direct your attention to the top section of the interface. Here, you'll find the View tabs for that particular board. These tabs are incredibly useful for customizing how you interact with your board's content, making essential data easier to manage and understand. Now, look for the small plus sign located within these View tabs. Clicking this plus sign is your gateway to adding additional views to your board, enhancing how you interact with the information stored there. Upon clicking the plus sign, you'll be presented with a menu of different view options that you can add to your board. From this list, select the option labeled Files Gallery. This feature is designed specifically to help users like you compile and see all the files tied to the board in one dedicated space. By choosing the Files Gallery option, you'll immediately notice the new tab appear alongside your existing views. Switching over to this tab is the final step that reveals all your uploaded files in one cohesive gallery. This transformation from scattered file references to a comprehensive collection is what makes managing projects and collaborations on monday.com much more efficient. You'll find it so much easier to track, review, and utilize your files this way. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you have successfully configured your board on monday.com to display all your files in one convenient location. This streamlined access not only saves you time, but also minimizes the risk of overlooking important documents. Embracing these simple organizational tools can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. Thank you for joining me today to learn about managing your files more effectively in monday.com. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to explore more of our content for similar tips and tricks. Keep optimizing your workflow and enjoy the seamless experience monday.com strives to offer. Until next time, stay efficient and organized.